How to get rid of hiccups. Most people are probably familiar with the spasm-like event known as the hiccup. While usually not dangerous, it can be quite annoying. In this video, we discuss what causes the hiccup and what methods can be used to rid yourself of them. What is a hiccup? A hiccup is a sudden and involuntary contraction of the diaphragm muscle. The contraction rapidly shuts the vocal cords, which then produces the sound that is so characteristic of the hiccup. What causes hiccups? Conditions that irritate the diaphragm or cause excess air to be trapped when swallowing are common causes of the hiccup. These include: eating or drinking too quickly can result in air being swallowed. Eating large quantities of foods with irritants, such as spices. Drinking too much alcohol or drinks with carbonation. Even too much excitement can cause hiccups. Less common causes of hiccups include diseases or medical conditions that irritate the diaphragm, such as lung disease, liver disease, and pneumonia. Reactions to certain medications. Did you know that the longest hiccup on record lasted for over 68 years? Charles Osborne's incredibly long hiccup bout supposedly started after he ruptured a tiny vessel in his brain. The hiccups started in 1922 before finally stopping in 1991, 1 year before his death. He was able to live a fairly normal life, during which he married twice and fathered 8 kids. As incredible as that is, in the vast majority of cases, hiccups will go away on its own and rarely pose any serious threat to one's health. Unless a hiccup lasts more than 3 hours, there is usually no medical attention needed. In extreme cases, medication can be prescribed to treat hiccups, but for the vast majority of people, hiccups are typically treated with the usual array of remedies. These include quickly drinking a glass of water, holding your breath, gargling with water, biting on a lemon. While hiccups are annoying, rest assured that for the most part, it is but a fleeting annoyance. Next time you have to deal with the random bout of hiccups, give these remedies a try, but if the condition is severe or abnormal, then be sure to contact a doctor. See you next time, Inspired Crew.